Today I am going to conduct a physics experiment using graph paper. The objective of this experiment is to find out the area of an irregular object using a graph paper. Area is the space covered by the surface of an object. Area is the size of a two-dimensional surface. Mathematically, area can be calculated by multiplying one side of a shape with an adjacent side. The SI unit of area is meter square. The formula for calculating the area of a rectangle is length into breadth, and the formula for calculating the area of a triangle is half into breadth into height. An irregular object is an object which has no definite geometrical shape such as circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, etc. Instead, irregular objects have unique, unpredictable, asymmetrical features in terms of their boundaries, sizes, and angles. The demonstration of the area of the irregular object is based on the principle of dissectorizing, where you break the object into smaller and more measurable units so that it gets easier to calculate. The formula for calculating the area of an irregular object is number of square boxes into area of square boxes. The apparatus required for conducting this experiment are a graph paper, an irregular object, here I have a leaf, an eraser, a pencil, and a scale. First, we take the irregular object, here I have a leaf, and we place it on the graph paper while making sure that the graph paper is large enough to accommodate the irregular object. Then we take our pencil and slowly trace an outline of the irregular object. We should try to be as accurate as possible to get the exact perimeter of the irregular object. Now that we have traced out the outline of the irregular object, we need to count the number of bigger boxes, including the half and more than half boxes. Now that we have counted the number of total boxes, we need to find out the area of the bigger square boxes by using the formula length square. As you can see here, each box is 1 centimeter in length, so we can say that the area of the square box is 1 centimeter square. Calculation. Area of square box equals to 1 centimeter square. Number of square boxes equals to 62 boxes. We know area of leaf equals to number of square boxes into area of square boxes. Here we have 62 as the number of square boxes and 1 centimeter square as the area of square box, so our result will be 62 centimeter square. It is found experimentally that the area of the irregular object is 62 centimeter square. We concluded that the area of the irregular object can be found out using graph paper.